When you are going to try to join your dream organization, there are different rounds of selection. The group discussion is one of the most important step and round of selection. If you're able to crack the group discussion round, there is an easy gateway to the final selection procedure probably. So group discussion carries a huge weightage in the selection procedure. Are you struggling to go through the GD round and crack that round easily and going further for the interview selection, and somehow you are not able to crack the selection procedure of your dream organization and feeling bad? Don't feel bad much. Here I am coming up with 3 different topics, varieties of topics rather, which will help you knowing about the GD rounds in depth, and it will be helpful to you to crack the GD round. Before moving further, I will request you to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so that whenever I am coming up with more such videos, you will come across them easily. Hi, I'm Lopa Mudra. I'm a career growth coach and a communication expert. In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 different varieties of group discussion topics and how to crack them. Before going to this topic, I will recommend you to go through one of my previous video where I have shared the 6 different techniques to conquer over the GD round, the mastery over the GD round. So I am sharing the link in the description box. Make it a point, go through that particular video for sure. Now coming to the 3 varieties of group discussion topics. Number 1, topical group discussion topics. What is topical group discussion topic? It is based upon the current affairs, the news, what is going on, what is there in the market, on those kind of topics, the very recent and current topics. So how to crack those kind of topics if it is coming the GD round. If you are going through the newspaper, the magazines, the news channels on a regular basis, and you are updated with the current affairs and you are making notes of them, the important ones, and analyzing them every day and making a picture in your mind, so it will be helpful when you are going for the GD round with a topical kind of topic. So very easily you can crack those things by making the points one by one if you are aware of the things. Number 2 is case study based. There are certain topics which are case study based. Basically, when they want to judge you on your analytical skill, on your views about a business and something, they give this kind of topic. So there will be a particular case study and the judges, they want to judge you on how depth you have analyzed the things, what is your viewpoint on that, and what is your capacity. If you will put in that kind of situation, how you can manage the conflict, or how you can negotiate, how you can communicate, all those things overall. So it is based upon your analytical skill. So if you are working on different case studies and trying to analyze them on a regular basis by going through different books, by going through different topics in the newspaper or magazine, or drawing something from the internet and trying to analyze, break them into parts and prepare different points, the do's and don'ts, positives and negative side, and that way if you are practicing very well, very easily you can crack the GD round in that way when this kind of topic will come. Number 3 is the abstract topic. Abstract topic is something which is having different meanings. So when there is an abstract topic, there is nothing correct or nothing wrong. So you can have your own viewpoint. The judges are trying to understand how depth you can think, how depth you can imagine, and how depth you can analyze the thing. So they are going to see your viewpoints, your creativity, your analytical skills, and all that. So how to prepare for this kind of topics? You can go through different kind of idioms with different kind of proverbs, all those things, and try to give them different meanings in a positive way and negative way. When you are doing it a repeated practice by giving different points and opinions on both the sides, and you're habituated with that, something like that when the topic is coming, you'll be well prepared to address them, and your group discussion flow will be in a very well communicative way, very pleasant way, and you can crack the GD round very easily. I'm sure these 3 types of breakups and how to crack them are making your job easier, and you are going to start this procedure immediately now. So spend some time every day to this kind of analysis and prepare yourself for the GD round, so that next time when you are going to your dream organization for the GD round, it should not be a nightmare to you, and very happily, very confidently you can crack the GD round. Please let me know in comment box how you are finding them. If you want me to come out with the videos in any particular topic, write me in the comment box so that I can come with them. And if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please do that by pressing the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching.